Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these vertical trendy optical illusion French nails, and I'm going to be using cat eye polish. So there will be zero blending required. First, we're going to start off with a black base. So I'm going to go ahead and apply black to all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Since this video is mostly about the design itself, all I did was just glue down some tips that I got on Amazon with some nail glue, and that is it. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a full minute. I'm only adding one layer of black polish on there just because we only want it as like a base. I don't want this nail to be too thick. So now I'm going to take some of this cat eye polish that I got on Amazon. It is a really pretty silver and it came with this magnet. I'm going to go through and I'm going to apply a thin layer to the nail, just covering up all the black. So now you're going to take your magnet, and this is without curing. You're going to take that magnet gently up and down the side of the nail, only on one side of the nail. You don't want to move all of the silver that you just put on there, all the little magnet particles. You only want to do the one side. Slowly take it up and down the nail until you see that ombre start to form. This is where the optical illusion really starts to take place, is when you kind of move it around. You can see the little line that you've created there. So once you're happy with that, you're going to cure that in the light for about 45 seconds. I do recommend curing after each step that you do and doing one nail at a time, only because you don't want to mess up anything that you did since you're using that magnet on any of the other nails and potentially having to start over. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to start to create that French tip. So I'm going to take my black and map out how I want my French tip to look. You're gonna place that on the whole tip, clean it up, and then you're gonna cure it in the lamp again for about 45 seconds. And then we're gonna go back in with the cat eye polish. Once that black is cured, I'm now going to go in with that cat eye polish and go right over top of the black. You can clean up the smile line before or after you use the magnet. Just after doing a couple nails, I did find it a little easier to do it beforehand. So now I'm taking my magnet and just going gently down the side of the nail, slowly making my way in the center, creating that line once again on the opposite side. And then I'm going to go through, clean up the smile line, and cure it in the lamp for another 45 seconds. So I had something a little bit different in mind for my middle finger and my ring finger. So I was just going to go through and do the same thing by adding the silver cat eye on top of the black. And then I was going to take this magnet and just go along the outside and just kind of create like a circle in the center. But as you can see here, this magnet did absolutely nothing, and so I didn't do it. I just went back to what I was doing before and decided to do the vertical French ombre on all of the nails instead. So I thought these were looking really good, and I'm not sure if I ruined it by doing this next step, but I really wanted to do something a little bit different and give it a little more character. And I had this pink tinted polish that I've been really wanting to use, so I figured I would just throw that over top of it to see what it looked like, and then I just kept it like that. So you'll have to let me know in the comments down below if I should have left it the way it was, or if you do like the way it looks with the pink. I did start to like it more over time, and I really like the way that it looks outside. Overall, I really do like this trend though. I think it's really cute. I'm not really sure who started it. I think I saw it from CS Tutorials on TikTok. It was the first time I saw it, but I know creators everywhere are starting to do it. And actually, I'm probably even a little bit late to the trend train here, but overall, I really do like this design. I think it's really pretty. It's super cute and just fun and different for French nail design. The optical illusion part of it is pretty cool. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set and if you would wear these. But as always, I do appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!